me share my screen because I'm not actually going to demo. Andy's going to demo what I've been working on because his work is beautiful. But I'll take a moment to explain what I've been doing to support Andy. So today, Storytel supports really two sources of knowledge. You can upload an attachment into a collection or upload it through a thread into a collection and reference that when you're working with your internal knowledge base, or you can reference training data or a blend of the two. In order to support the Chrome extension and a coming soon simpler chat, which will be especially important for first-time users, we are introducing the concept of thread attachments. And so a thread attachment is content that is attached to a thread. It is not searchable for other threads or discoverable for other threads. It doesn't get processed for embeddings. It won't create story tiles. It is just content that can only be used inside that thread. And when you've attached content to a thread, it will always be prioritized as reference material for when you're working with your knowledge base, when you're working with both your knowledge base and training data, and when you're working with only training data. And so the first use case, which we'll see when Andy does his demo, is that when you're using the Chrome extension, whatever web page you're looking at, you may not want to save. You may only want to chat with that web page once. And if you just want to have a one-off chat, the contents of that web page will be attached to the thread so that you can ask questions about that web page, ask for a summary, or things like that. Now, when you're working with a web page in the Chrome extension and you want to continue to chat with that, maybe it's a competitor document or a press release or something that will have value again and again, the Chrome extension will allow you to process that content as an asset and have all of the features that we have today. But if you're just looking to do a one-off simple chat, the Chrome extension will be able to attach that content to the thread, and you'll never need to worry about the complexities of managing your knowledge base or how you're saving it or who has access to it. It's just in that thread. Now, the same feature will soon support a simpler chat experience for Storytel, the website. One of the things that we notice when we launched collections is that our numbers dipped quite a bit. And a hypothesis is that it's just too complex, especially for first-time users who just want to figure out what Storytel is, and maybe they just want to have a chat. You can see this if you go to Storytel and you do something like hello. We may want to do a search of your knowledge base to figure out how we can help you answer the question of hello, although that's gotten much better recently. And so the optional attachments for a thread will also help first-time users who just want to have a simple chat and they don't want to worry about managing knowledge bases and collections and things like that. And so that's the high level of the work that I've done to support the Chrome extension and the coming soon simpler chat feature for Storytel. If you want to learn more, there's a link in the Notion doc here, and you can dive in to read more about it, including this nice little diagram, which shows you how we actually build prompts and the changes that I made to build those prompts. And that will conclude my demo. Any questions?
Any brave volunteers? Should I pick someone? I feel like a teacher in class. All right, Mark, let's see.
Right. So from what I'm understanding is that what Aaron is building is essentially to make one-off chats with Storytel easier, and ultimately the goal of this is to have a more user-friendly experience, in a sense that users won't have to have the stress of managing all of these like collections, having knowledge, essentially just for the users who want to try out Storytel and maybe just don't want the complexity of having to deal with all of the knowledge or all of the features that we have. I
Yes,
don't know if
I
I'm
think
getting that right.
I think that was well said. I think the only thing I would add is that even users who are fully benefiting from all of the features of Storytell, like Steven, sometimes they might just want to have a one-off chat too. And when they attach a file to a thread or source a web page into a thread, they can just have a one-time chat, and that'll be a simple experience.
Awesome. Yeah. Thank you.